Good morning, Spartans. Today is Monday, April 29th. Let's kick off our week with a fun spring fact.
Did you know that cherry blossoms are one of the first flowers to bloom in the spring? In many parts of the world, this beautiful event is celebrated with festivals.
Heads up, progress reports will go home this Wednesday.
And don't forget, after school today, we have Project Success.
Plus, we have a Monday mashup for you. Check out the pictures from last Friday when our awesome staff dressed up like students.
That's all the time we have for today.
We'll talk to you tomorrow.